Hi bammies! Welcome to my channel! Ayan! Guys, narinig niyo ba yung tinawag ko kanina sa inyo sa intro? Bammies. Bammies. As of last night, I already decided what to call you guys. What to call all my subscribers and all my supporters. I will call you all Bammies. Bammies! Bammies. Rawr. Why? Because Bammies stands for Bam, which means Blancie, Arjen, I'm so sorry guys for the disturbance of my pimple here. I don't know. It's normal. You know, I'm so sorry for the disturbance. Just never mind the face and the pimples. Just mind the prettiness and the beautifulness. Beautifulness. Okay, beautifulness. Yan, so for today's video, nakita nyo naman sa ating thumbnail na ginawa kong skirt and crop top yung dress na may hoodie ko. Okay, para hindi na kayo maghintay, let's go ahead and get started. That's all for today. I hope that my video gives you an idea para ma-try nyo rin na i-renovate or i-repair yung ibang clothes nyo na hindi nyo nagagamit para naman hindi siya masayang. Thank you for watching my videos and I hope you all bammies to support me more. Subscribe on my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell and also like and share my videos with your friends.